everyone. Today we've got a hot review of one of the most talked about new tools in the Solana ecosystem, PumpFun Sniper. I'll show you how to launch the bot, what features it has, the referral system, support, and why I think it's a genuinely useful tool for Memecoin traders. Link in the description. Let's get started. If you want to be first on new pool launches and avoid manual clicks, listen up. Today I'll show how the bot performs sniping for you and why it can save you a ton of nerves and time. Straight away, then the site makes a strong impression. The team positions PumpFun Sniper as the most advanced Solana trading bot. With an AI engine, lightning-fast execution, and automatic safety filters. The homepage highlights ultra-low latency and large volumes, all the hallmarks of a professional product. Okay, let's launch. Click Launch Bot. The first thing any user does is connect a Solana wallet. Everything's standard here. Choose your investment range, minimum and maximum per trade in SOL. I set min 0.1 SOL, max 1 SOL. This is handy. You can immediately apply risk management at the per trade level. Then I set slippage tolerance, say 5%, and target take profit plus and 50%, stop loss 30%. All of this is under the Configure Your Trading Strategy interface. Neat and clear. I press Start. The bot monitors pools and new listings across the Solana ecosystem. Real-time commentary shows bot found a potential release, checking parameters, volume, creator, token metrics. If AI-powered risk protection is enabled, the bot automatically filters out suspicious contracts, a feature intended to guard against rug pulls and honeypots. This is important. Automation plus built-in safety filters gives you a sense of control even when trading is fully automated. In the dashboard, we see statuses like order sent, executed, and live profit profile. The site even shows live statistics, number of successful trades, uptime, and total volumes. While the bot runs, let's skim the site tab so you know where to go. Features, key features, AI analysis, high-speed execution, smart filters, auto sell on TPSL. Pricing, subscription plans. Pick a plan that fits your volume and strategy. Referral program. Separate tab describing bronze, silver, gold tiers with commission rates, 15 to 25 to 35%, payouts in SOL, USDC, and bonuses for high referral flow. If you build a community, this can generate passive income. FAQ. Useful for beginners. Contact. Support and contact info. The site claims 24/7 support, live chat, and email, and lists an average response time, under 2 hours. That's reassuring. 24/7 support can really help in critical moments. About the referral system, connect your wallet, generate a unique link, and start inviting people. There are tiers with different commission shares and payout frequencies, potentially attractive if you run a Telegram Discord channel or help friends sign up. Again, read payout terms carefully before relying on referral income. Now I'll leave the bot running and get on with other things. I'll be back soon to wrap up, and I'll speed the footage for you. The bot finished its run. It showed execution, profit, loss entries, and presented the results in the dashboard. Short summary. The interface is user-friendly. Plenty of risk management settings, auto sell, AI filters, and fast support. But an important caveat, automation makes the process easier, but it does not eliminate market risk. If you like the idea of automatic sniping on Solana and want to test AI tools, take a look. Link in the description. I like the speed, the interface usability, and the referral program. Everything looks well thought out and ready to use.